Hey guys, it's George and Brian here from SME. And about, I don't know, a week or two ago, I put out a video on LinkedIn talking about the new features of ThoughtSpot 5.2. But I wanted to come back here today with George, one of our experts, to talk about probably one of the cooler features, which is Embrace. So can you, sort of fill us in a little bit more than what I talked about?
Yeah, definitely. So Embrace is the newest way to connect your data into ThoughtSpot. So rather than push the data into ThoughtSpot, Embrace allows you to take the search-based and AI analytics straight to the source. So there's two main components here. There's the ability to link your data. So it's essentially to leave your data where it is, but still be able to query off of it directly from ThoughtSpot. So you can use this in your search experience, or if you want to do it in the pinboard. But you also are able to sync that data once it's linked to ThoughtSpot. And that allows you to bring it into ThoughtSpot so that you can conduct further analysis, do your own joins, and also bring Spot IQ straight to it.
So, well, that's interesting. So what would you say some of the, current use cases are for Embrace?
Yeah, so one of the biggest ones is that if companies have existing business logic built directly into the tables in their database, they don't have to reinvent the wheel or recreate that business logic in ThoughtSpot. They can just leverage it by hitting directly at the source. Another aspect of it is the real-time capability. So a lot of people, they maybe will load their ThoughtSpot data once or twice a day. Well, what this allows you to do is the loads can still happen on the historical data, but the Embrace features can allow you to query off of that data throughout the day, and you're able to be up to date on it. And as well, just being able to kind of bypass that whole ETL process if that's what you want.
Yeah, that makes sense. So I know this is sort of a rolling out process, and ThoughtSpot's not currently working with all databases. So who are they currently working with, and what's sort of the game plan going forward?
Right. So right now, Embrace is only working with Snowflake, which is a pretty popular cloud-based data warehouse. But they do plan on expanding this over time. So I know that on the roadmap, we have things like Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, as well as some of the legacy sources like SQL Server and Oracle. So
yeah,
pretty exciting to see how it expands out, but it's cool stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I know, like I said, that's why I wanted to have George in here today, because I think Embrace is probably one of those really cool features that is sort of a game changer. I mean, some of the other features I talked about in 5.2 are great as well, but I think this is the one it's a game changer. So
yeah, definitely.
Anything to wrap up on?
Yeah, guys, if you're interested in learning more about Embrace or ThoughtSpot, we are partners with them. So if you want to learn more, just reach out to us at info@smegroup.com, or you can reach out to us directly here on LinkedIn.
Sounds good to me. Anything else?
No, I think that's good.
All right, guys. Have a great one.